You don't have to study Spanish anymore. Whee! Cool, right? I'm sure we all as children dreamed that knowledge could be just uploaded into our heads by magic without having to study. If you've ever had such thoughts, write plus in the comments. These used to be just fantasies, but today they are becoming reality. The fast development of artificial intelligence will soon allow us to simply upload knowledge into our brains and be smart. Cool, right? Soon we won't have to study languages, physics, chemistry, etc. But this progress has some peculiarities, and today we will look at them. At the end of this video, I'll be really interested to hear your opinion, so watch till the end. The latest version of ChatGPT can translate in real time with emotions.
To know if GPT-4o is capable of real-time translation. Mark, you want to try this one?
Sure, yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Yeah.
I speak Italian, so we can just do English-Italian.
Let's try to do English-Italian. Sure, let's do it. Hey, ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
I'm doing great. So I would like you to function as a translator. I have a friend here who only speaks Italian, and I only speak English. And every time you hear English, I want you to translate it to Italian. And if you hear Italian, I want you to translate it back to English. Is that good?
Perfetto.
Mark, io mi chiedo se le balene potessero parlare, cosa ci direbbero?
Mike, she wonders if whales could talk, what would they tell us?
They might ask, how do we solve linear equations?
Potrebbero chiederci come risolviamo le equazioni lineari.
Sicuramente sì.
Certainly, yes.
Great, looks like it works.
It's truly impressive, right? But imagine situation sitting in a circle of foreign friends, and with this tool, the time of the conversation doubles, because the ChatGPT needs to listen first and then translate. Such communication is a great tool for business meetings, but not for daily conversations, because after a few days you'll get tired of these long conversations with middlemen. Or someone can make a joke or say something unknown to ChatGPT, and all the magic will disappear simply because of the fact that you don't know how to react appropriately. Now, another point. Any machine, even the smartest one, can malfunction. Imagine living in a time where chips are automatically integrated and they translate languages in real time, allowing you to communicate live with foreigners. Now imagine that your loved one, a man or a woman, is a foreigner. You are laying in a couch in the evening, speaking about some important things, daily routine, right? Romantic situation, wonderful, and suddenly the system glitches and you are not able to understand each other anymore. You simply don't know the language. You don't know the language of your partner, and he or she doesn't know your language. Until the glitch is fixed, you won't be able to communicate. And this is a real situation, because remember how often social media giants just stop working and everyone complains that they cannot upload stories or send messages. Data can disappear. The servers that store this information can get damaged. Or the system can be hacked and filled with different information. When you allow information to be uploaded to your head, it always can be done for someone else's interests, meaning you start to be controlled. They can upload information that is useful to someone else for certain purposes, but not the real information, and you won't be able to control it. Another point. If you ever interacted with elderly people, you know that brain functions deteriorate with age. And to keep them in good shape, it's recommended to engage in intellectual activities, to learn something new, solve crosswords, Sudoku, etc. So when the information is automatically uploaded to your brain, the brain doesn't exert itself and starts to atrophy. You can turn into a vegetable who cannot do anything without these technologies. This is an illusion of intelligence. Personally, I support the development of technologies. They really do make routine tasks easier. But is it worth relying on them completely? So my question to you is, what do you choose? To be a control cog or a free-thinking person? If the last one, and considering that you are watching this video, that means that you are interested in learning Spanish. So, I invite you to our international online Spanish language school, Pana.Hispana. We don't have just cool professional teachers, but very interesting people who use a variety of different techniques and methods in teaching Spanish. You can choose a teacher based on your goals and interests. We have native speakers from different Spanish-speaking countries, university professors, international rescuers, music teachers, theology teachers, Mexican cuisine teachers, Spanish for doctors, teachers who work with students with dyslexia, Alzheimer, and attention issues, as well as teachers who can teach through sign language with an artistic approach and much more. Visit our website through the link in the description under this video and book your first lesson. By the way, as a bonus for watching this video till the end, we give you a discount on the first months of learning. All the details in the description. If you need help in choosing a format or teacher, write to us in messengers or social networks mentioned in the description under this video, and we will be happy to help you. Learn Spanish with us and boost your brain.